If your Android phone is constantly receiving unwanted spam messages, you can reduce them using a simple built-in feature inside the Messages app. This quick setting helps improve your messaging experience and keeps your inbox more organized. Open the Messages app. Make sure you are on the main chat screen where all your SMS conversations are listed. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture or initials. This will open your account and message settings menu. Now tap on Messages settings. Inside the settings page, scroll through the options until you find Spam Protection. This feature is designed by Android to automatically detect and filter suspicious or unwanted messages. Tap on Spam Protection and you will see a toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, your phone will start identifying spam messages and move them away from your main inbox or warn you before opening them. After turning it on, you may notice fewer unwanted messages appearing in your chats. This helps keep your inbox clean, organized, and safe from scams or annoying promotions. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Android tips and tricks.